Today we're making easy homemade butter cookies that are crisp, buttery and perfect for any occasion. We'll be making classic butter cookies, delicious jam-filled sandwich cookies and rich chocolate cookies all from the same dough. In a bowl, add 180 grams of butter, 80 grams of sugar and 1 egg yolk. Using a hand whisk, mix everything together until smooth and well combined. Next, sift in 360 grams of flour and 1/8 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Switch to a gloved hand and gently mix everything until a dough forms. Make sure all the ingredients are evenly incorporated. If the dough feels a little too firm, add 1 tablespoon of milk. You can also substitute the milk with cream for an even richer flavor. Cover the dough and place it in the refrigerator for about 10 to 15 minutes. Chilling helps the dough become easier to roll and shape. Once chilled, roll the dough onto a silicone mat or a lightly floured surface. Use your favorite cookie cutters to cut out the shapes. To make jam-filled cookies, you'll need 2 cutters, one larger cutter for the base and a smaller cutter for the center opening. If you don't have a small cookie cutter, a bottle cap or the base of a piping tip works perfectly. Place all the cookie shapes onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper if your tray isn't non-stick. For the remaining dough, add cocoa powder according to the amount of dough left. As a rough guide, use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder per handful of dough. Mix until combined, making sure the dough stays soft and workable. Roll it out and cut it into shapes just like before. Bake all the cookies in a preheated oven at 150 Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes or until lightly golden around the edges. Once cooled, assemble the jam-filled cookies by placing a donut-shaped cookie on top of a solid cookie base. Fill the center with your favorite jam. Depending on the thickness of the jam, you may need to thin it out slightly with a little hot water first. Finish the remaining cookies with your favorite decorations. Drizzle them with melted chocolate, dust them with powdered sugar, or sprinkle them with coconut flakes for extra texture and flavor. And there you have it, buttery homemade cookies that can be transformed into jam-filled sandwich cookies, chocolate cookies, or beautifully decorated treats for any occasion. If you enjoyed this easy cookie recipe, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more baking recipes, and let me know your favorite cookie flavor in the comments down below.